Welcome to Sivasist Vidyalaya. Myself Sangeeta Rodriguez, your computer teacher for class 3. In previous video we have learned about computer system, that is a IPO cycle, input, process and output cycle. In that the input devices gives instructions data to the CPU and CPU process it, and then after it will give to the monitor, that is a output device. We have learned about the IPO cycle. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn about hardware and software. Children, now you have to understood that a computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of jobs. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. The two basic parts of a computer system are hardware, software. Fact files is Alan Turing is known for his contribution towards modern computers. He is considered as father of modern computer. Now we are going to learn about hardware. The physical parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. A human body consists of different parts. The outer part of a body are visible, but the parts like brain, lungs, hearts, etc., which are inside, cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the parts of the hardware that are outside, example monitor, keyboard, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. You can see them only when you open the body of a computer box, for example, hard disk, CPU chip, etc. Hardware of a computer is further classified into three types: input, output, storage device. Now, learn about input devices. There are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers, sounds, or pictures into a computer. These are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. Now learn about scanner. A scanner copies a picture or text printed on a paper into the computer. Trackball. It has a ball on its top. To move the pointer on the screen, roll the ball with your finger. Microphone. Microphone is used to record a voice and other sounds into the computer. Light pen. It looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whatever you write on this pad, that can be seen on the monitor. Joystick. It is used to play games. It helps to move the items on the screen. Web camera. It is primarily used to share pictures and have live chat with your friends and relatives using internet. Quick quiz is what part which part of our body act as an input unit? Now let us learn about output devices. The devices which displays the information and result are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, etc. Learn about monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It also displays the process information. Printer. It prints the output that you see on the computer screen on paper. Speaker. Speakers are used to hear music and sounds stored in a computer. Fact file. Lady Ada Lovelace is regarded as the first computer programmer. Now let us learn about storage device. The device used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage device which stores the entire work we do on a computer. Other important devices like CD, pen drive, and DVD are used to store information. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is a round, flat, and shiny disk that stores a lots of information. Hard disk. It is a device which stores huge amount of data and information. It is present inside the CPU box. Pen drive. It is very small in size but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. It can easily be handled. Fact file is Intel is the world's largest processor company. You have seen the name. Now let us learn about software. Software is that part of a computer which cannot be touched. To make the hard work, we need to have a hard software in it. Let us understand software with the help of following example. Children, all of you have must seen the use of a music system. The parts like speakers, CD and DVD, etc., which you can touch and see are hardware. Can you see the songs or music recorded on a CD or a DVD? No, because that is software. A CD is the hardware, but the songs or movies which are stored in it are software, as they cannot be touched and seen. Likewise, a TV is hardware, and the program that you watch on it are software. Let us go back to working of a computer. Which of the following step is done by the software? Input, process, output. Yes, processing is done by software. It takes the input from the user, process it and display the output on the monitor. Thus, we can define software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. There are two types of software, system software and application software. Now, quiz time. Who acts as the operating system in your school? Software. First, learn about system software. It is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software that makes a computer run. It manages all input and output operations. It also manages the link between the different parts of a computer and the user. Let us understand the operating system with the help of an example. Take the case of car. It has petrol engine and wheels, but it is not moving. When the car moves, it will move only when the driver starts it. So the driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, operating system is the driver of a computer which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. Application software. The software that does a specific type of work is called application software. Let us understand with this help of some examples. What do you do with a juicer in your house? You can only extract juice from juice of fruits and vegetables with it. That indicates you can do specific type of job with the machine. There are different types of application software that helps in doing some specific types of jobs. MS Paint used for drawing pictures, games used for entertainment, WordPad used for typing and making correction in the text. You are doing in the school na. Calculator used for doing calculations. Now, what you have learned in this chapter? Number 1. The two basic parts of a computer are hardware and software. Number 2. The parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. Number 3. A group of instructions given to the computer is called software. System software is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. The software that is designed to do specific type of work is called application software. Now your homework is write down any two storage devices name and what is hardware. You have to write the answer. Thank you and have a nice day.